Kazakhstan actually came up with an interesting balance. Let's say you can train on copyrighted material for as long as the owner of that material didn't restrict their work from being trained. And again, how many artists knew that one day their work would be trained into a model? So by and large, probably 99% of the copyrighted work out there do not have that specific restriction. And that's kind of a legal thing that needs to be debated. There's another angle to this. I don't know if you can read this. So I put 2 prompts into ChatGPT. One is, generate me a cartoon image of an Italian plumber. And then another one was, generate me a cartoon image of a yellow electric mouse. Very generic. But surprise, surprise, you will get copyrighted images. I think this is the more nefarious issue. You may be violating copyright and not know you are. I mean, these are 2 obvious examples, right? But the proper names didn't appear in my prompt. I tried this with many other examples. I was able to generate Donald Duck, Popeye. I think the IP protection on Popeye already expired years ago. But again, the models generate what they've been trained on. And at least according to Kazakhstan law, training is not considered copyright infringement issue unless the art is specifically restricted. Other things happening in the same space is art. Artists hate AI with a vengeance. Unfortunately, this is me generating my profile picture. I said, style me in Dragon Ball Z or style me in Studio Ghibli. The Dragon Ball Z is the angrier version. No? And no one can copyright a style. You can only copyright a work. But now people are using styles of whoever. In fact, one of the best prompts you can use is the name of an artist. Generate me a painting of a Filipino priest in the style of Juan Luna. Of course, Juan Luna is long dead, probably would hate it, knowing that his style was being copied. So what does this mean for business? It means these rules are still in flux. And if you're using AI for content, using AI for creativity, you now need to add this extra level of, I don't know what it is, compliance or audit or checking, which may even nullify the productivity that you thought you were going to save.